Okay, today we're going to show you guys how to access the databases to do research through the Xavier library. So once you're at xavier.edu, you want to go to current students, and it's going to pull up the student hub, and then there's a little square that says library, so click on that, and it will take you to Xavier's library homepage. Once you get there, you can look for books and things that are at Xavier, or you can go to databases. And then there are two different types of ways to browse for database. You can do it by subject, and it'll pull up almost any major that we have here, along with some other topics. And you can also do it, you can also do it by alphabet, and you can pull up by like database title. So we're doing an example for you guys. So if we were to look up something for information systems, you can go there. And then these are all the databases the library has access to that deal with information technology. Some are more specific than others, like Electronic Journal Center, but then there are other databases like Academic Search Complete, where you can use to find pretty much any information. It's a really good database to use. So this is Academic Search Complete, and this is kind of what a search will look like. If you're in advanced search, you can also do basic search, but we're going to show you how to do an advanced one. So if you wanted to look up some information about, say, YouTube, you can pull it up like that, and you can try in different search fields, for example, by like a keyword in the text, the title, the author's name, or all search field, just kind of like an all of the above. And you can look for multiple words at a time, but we're just going to do that. So if you hit search, there we go. So as you can see, there's over 7,000 results, which is a ton, and there's a ton of different kinds. So a really great way to limit your search results is to go down to this bar and hit full text, because then it will only show you results that you have access to the whole thing, which is good if you're doing research. So obviously that cut it down a lot. And then for research, you also want to hit scholarly peer-reviewed journals, because those are going to be the most credible sources. So now we're down to 650. It's a really great way to cut down your sources. And then as you scroll, you can also search by publication date if you need something more recent, because YouTube is kind of a more recent phenomenon, or something older. And then by type, academic journals, book reviews, etc. And so, for example, when you click on a source, it's going to tell you information about the source. This is the abstract, about the authors and things like that. And then you can see the full source by pulling up the PDF. And so that is just one way that you can use Xavier's databases. You can only access these things through a university or by applying to get in and paying for it. So we're really lucky that we have access to those here at Xavier.